Hello, this morning we are replacing the belts on a 2004 F-250 Super Duty Ford with the Power Stroke in it. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm going to start talking about what's entailed in this job, and so I'm going to flip the phone around so you can see what's going on. It is a fairly complex belt system on this truck. We have 2 alternators, and we have a total of 14 pulleys. Now, replacing the 2 belts is actually not that difficult once you get to them. The problem is getting access to the belts on this truck. This truck uses a viscous fan clutch that is electronically controlled, and it's basically in the way of getting to those belts. So we have to take off the fan, which also includes we have to take off the shroud for it, and a couple of other things to get access to it. So in a nutshell, that's what's needed to do the belts on your F-250 with a Power Stroke. I hope this information has been a little helpful for you to know what has to be done. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.